In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card to Proton Mail. We'll walk through the exact screen so you can add a payment method with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to the Proton Mail website. If you're not already in your inbox, sign into your account. On desktop, look for the settings toggle at the top right. It's the small gear. Click it, then choose all settings to open the full settings dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Subscription. This is where Proton manages your plan and payment methods, so any changes you make here will apply to renewals and upgrades. On the subscription page, click Add Credit Debit Card to bring up the card details panel. Type your card number exactly as it appears. Proton uses secure encrypted forms, and you'll notice the digits group automatically as you type. As a reminder, never share your card details in chats or screenshots. Next, enter the expiration month and year, followed by the CVC security code from the back of your card. Take a moment to double-check these fields. Typos here are the most common cause of failed payments. Choose your billing country from the drop-down. This must match the country on file with your card issuer. Then enter your postal or zip code. Use the billing address associated with the card to avoid verification errors. If you want Proton to automatically charge future invoices, enable autopay support. This is optional. Turn it on only if you prefer hands-off renewals and want to avoid service interruptions. When everything looks correct, click Save. You may be prompted by your bank for an extra verification step, such as 3D Secure. Just follow those on-screen prompts to finish. After saving, you'll return to the subscription page where the new card should appear as an available payment method. If you run into issues, confirm your card allows international or online transactions, check that the postal code and country match your billing info, or try another supported browser. That's it. Your credit card is now added to Proton Mail.